Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Rex TV. Today, we're diving into the intense and complex political landscape of Zimbabwe. Vice President Constantine Chiwenga has made headlines by firing a warning shot at the dynasty cabal, who are allegedly decampaigning him with the approval of President Mnangagwa. Chiwenga made it clear that loyalty in the ruling ZANU PF party is not to any individual, but to the party itself. This statement is a clear indication that there may be internal power struggles within the party, with different factions vying for control and influence, as President Mnangagwa faces increasing pressure and scrutiny for his leadership. It seems that he is trying to consolidate his power within the party. However, this has led to dissent within the ranks, as evidenced by National and Central War Veterans leader Sam Pararenyitwa's refusal to chant the 2030 slogan, which is associated with Mnangagwa's idea of overstaying in power. These developments highlight the deep-seated tensions and power struggles within the ruling party in Zimbabwe. It's clear that there are competing interests at play, and the future of the party and the country is uncertain. As always, we'll be keeping a close eye on the situation and providing updates as events unfold. Stay tuned for more insightful analysis and commentary on the political dynamics in Zimbabwe and beyond. If you found this video informative, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.